What's up, Mavericks? Erica Sepala here from Merchant Maverick. Today I'm breaking down how to set up Square appointments for your service-based business, the fast and easy way. If you want clean scheduling, fewer no-shows, and an easier way to get clients on your books, this walkthrough is for you. So let's dive in. So we're going to start on our Square dashboard, and you're going to go over here to the menu on your left and go all the way to the bottom and click on Add More. So under this, you're going to see Square for Restaurants, Square for Retail, and Square Appointments. We want to click on Square Appointments. Once you click on that, you're going to see this screen. It says it's made to match your craft. You can go on this drop down and you can select what type of business you have, but then you want to go down here and you want to click Get Started. So once you click Get Started, you're going to have this pop up and it says, Welcome to Square Appointments Plus. Now, Square did recently update its pricing plans, so more advanced appointment features are in the Plus and Premium plans, and you'll get basic scheduling on the free plan. So this is just letting you know that you can try the Plus features for free for 30 days. After that, you will have to upgrade your plan if you want to continue using beyond the basic features. So we're going to just go right here and we're going to click on Start Setup to get started. So now we're on the overview page and you'll see that there is a status bar up here that we're 33% done. And then we have a checklist for primary setup. So we're already set up to take payments. That's already checked off. If you haven't yet set that up, you'll want to click in there and go in there and get set up for payments. The next step is to set up your location. So we're going to click on that. We're going to check our business name, location, nickname, location type, address, and contact information, make sure everything there is accurate, and then we're going to click Save and Continue. From here, we're going to check our business hours. If these are incorrect, you can just simply go in here and click around and change those. You can uncheck it if you're closed, for example, on Mondays, or you can click within these fields to change your time. So we'll go in here and we'll add that we're open on Saturday, 9 to 6 p.m. So once you've confirmed that your business hours are correct, you're going to want to click on Save and Continue. So then we're going to move to Location Setup. So this shows that you can get started with Square Go, which is a free customer-facing service marketplace. You can add in your business description, which we already have, and you can add photos. So we're just going to click Finish and Save. You can click this Get Started with Square Go, but we're not going to do that right now. But if you do want to add your business to the marketplace, you'll want to click in there and go through the steps of completing that. So we're going to click Finish and Save, and it shows our locations, and we're going to click that out. So all location information is saved. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Create Your Services. And there's a few ways that you can add your services. You can just add them manually, starting from scratch, or you can let Square build your service library using AI. So let's check out that option. We're going to select that, and then we're going to go to Next. So this just tells you how Square uses AI to build your service library and the information that you should have. Service name, an optional description, the duration of the service, and the price. So once we've read through that, we're going to click on Next, and then you have the option that you can import your services from a link to your website. So if you already have a menu with your services, prices, descriptions, you can just go in through there, or you can upload a file with your current list of services. So we're going to go with this option, and then we're going to go to the top right, and we're going to click Next. So it lets you know that you can drag and drop or browse. It needs to be a CSV file. So if you do not have a CSV file, you can simply go on here to click and download a template and add your information. So we tried this a little earlier, so let's see if this is going to work. We're going to go into our downloads. We're going to click on this, and then we're going to click Next. So it's importing our services. This is just a basic template that I pulled off of the internet. It may not be correct, and it actually is. So you can see here we have all of our service names. We have the optional description, the duration, whether it's bookable online, and the price. So you can go over to the right, and if it's a service, for example, you no longer offer, you can just click this trash can and delete it. If you don't want this service booked online, you can just go right here and you can uncheck that. No matter how many that you have, I believe it did say to limit it to 30. you can go on here, you can upload your CSV, or you can just link directly to your website where your menu is, and Square will pull that all in for you. So we're going to go in and we're going to click Save. So right now it's creating our service library, and it said it should be available within the next few minutes. So we're going to return to the setup guide, and I'm going to go back in to create your services, and we're going to go in and do the manual addition of services. So we're just going to click on that. We're going to click Next, and you would just go right in here and you would add the details. You can select if it is fixed or variable. So we'll just say it's fixed. We'll enter in the price and then the duration, and then you can toggle on and off if it's bookable online. So once you're done with that, you can click Save, and it's added that to our services that we've already added. So that's our basic setup, but you can see that there's also an advanced setup. If you just click on it and toggle, all these choices will come up. So the first is you can enable booking channels, so you can create a free customizable online booking site. We're going to click on that. So once you enable online booking, you will be taken to this page that just shows the name of your business, your address. You can go in here and edit that information, your appointment booking site. If you have classes, it's going to show up right here, and then it's going to show the different booking channels. So you can add your booking flow to an existing site, get a Square online site for free, get a book button for your Instagram profile, and add the option to Google. These are your options. You can go in, you can click, you can edit the service display here. You can also just view it. It's just going to show everything that you've added up to that point. But this now allows your customers to come in and book appointments online. So now we're just back on the overview page. There's a few other options. You can review your appointment settings, which just you can break down how your customers are able to book with you. You can import your customer list. You can create a test appointment. And of course, you can explore hardware options if you don't yet have Square hardware. So we're going to navigate off of the overview page, and we're going to go over here to the left menu under appointments, and we're going to click on calendar. So this is going to just show our calendar. All of your appointments are going to show up here. You can go to the top right corner and you can click create, and this will allow you to create an appointment, schedule a class, or a personal event. So let's just say we want to do an appointment. We'll keep that the same. We'll go in here and we'll either select a customer or create a new customer, and then we're going to add services. So we'll just say she wants a consultation. You can add more services, add items, add discounts, things like that. And then we're going to put in the date and the time and add any notes. So once we have that in, we're going to go to the top right corner and we're going to click Save. It says there's no contact info on file, so they will receive a confirmation request, reminder, or booking notification if they have contact information. Since she does not, you'll want to go in there and make sure you get that, so they just get these reminders and things like that. But in the meantime, we're just going to click Done. And as you can see, it has added that to our calendar. We're going to go back to the menu on the left, and the next option is the wait list. So if you have someone that, for example, doesn't have an appointment and has called in, and you have a wait list and say we can try to get you in, you can go in and you can add them to the waitlist. So click on waitlist, go up here to the top right corner and click on add request. So you're going to go down here and either create a new client or add an existing client. We're going to click on that. We're going to set their availability preference. So you're going to set the date. So we'll scroll down and we'll say the 21st between noon and 3 p.m. You can add additional preferences, and then you can go in here and you can select the service. And then that will pop this up, and you can either choose a staff member that's in here or any available staff, and then click add service, and then you can add notes. So once you've done that, go to the top right corner, click save, and you will see that this customer was added to the wait list. So then over here on the menu, we have online booking. We've already went through that, but you can go in here and you can set your channels. This was the screen we were on before when we were setting this up. You can go in and you can enable online booking from here. You can go in here and click on advanced widget. You will have to enable online booking to edit that. And then, of course, you can invite your clients. So once you click that enable online booking, you'll be able to go in here and really customize how your customers can find you and things like that. I'm not going to do that just because I don't want this that I created just for the purposes of this tutorial to show up online and have to go back and deactivate all of that. But I just invite you to click around in here, customize it to your preferences. Everything is really easy, as you can see. Square is really good about providing instructions, providing these checklists with steps, just very easy, very intuitive. So then the last thing that I want to show you is that we do have this settings drop down. You can go in here and you can easily update the settings. So it just shows my booking site is currently disabled. If you disable yours, you can just reactivate it just by clicking this button. Where do you accept appointments, online booking preferences, waitlist, marketing opt-in, things like that, payments and cancellations. You can go in here and set requirements for online booking. So you can require a deposit, a partial payment, or even just holding a card to charge a fee for no-shows and late cancellations. You can go in here and you can set your cancellation policy and things like that. Then the next option is communications. So you can go on here and toggle on and off confirmation requests, reminders, and things like that. These are always really good just to keep on, just to keep your customers reminded of their appointments to avoid no-shows or late appointments. There's a Square Assistant, so your customers can confirm, cancel, or change their appointments by replying directly to Square text messages. You can toggle this off and on. You can add forms. You can set up custom notifications, things like that. Really, really customizable. And then you can go in here to the history, and that's just going to simply show things from your history. So you can just go in here and view everything that's going on. Once you have all that set up, if you just go back to your main Square dashboard, you're going to see you now have the appointments option right under home on the left menu. So that's about everything. I do want to remind you that there's very basic booking features in the free plan, but if you want to take advantage of everything that Square Appointments has to offer, you're going to need to upgrade to the Plus or Premium plan. You do get a 30-day free trial to try out these features, but I do highly recommend the more extensive features for service-based businesses that really rely on appointments. With that being said, that's all from me. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and thanks for watching, Mavericks.